Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about Cardano because, as you probably know, Cardano crashed from $3 down to $2 this morning. We had a major crypto crash across the entire cryptocurrency markets this morning, and Cardano was not spared from that. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a quick update on what Cardano is doing and where it might be heading next. Are we seeing a bottom, and is Cardano about to rally, or are we going to see a major correction down into the $1 territory once more? We're going to discuss all of that and more in today's video, so without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. There was a symmetrical triangle pattern here on Cardano that we broke bearish out of as of yesterday. We were trading at $2.40, but it was not to last when we pulled down to $2 this morning. We managed to bounce off of the 100 daily exponential moving average, which you can see right here. Cardano does have a history of bouncing off of this level, as you can see back in April and May of this year, and we also used it as support around Christmas of last year. We are now sitting right above that when we pulled back down to it this morning. And in fact, this bottom at $2 is incredibly important for two reasons. Number one, not only is it sitting at $2, which is a big even psychological level of support that coincides with that 100 daily simple moving average, it also defines a new uptrending level of support on Cardano. The reason that uptrending level of support on Cardano is so important is because it matches very cleanly with this downtrending level of support here on the daily chart. That is what is known as bullish RSI divergence. Classical bullish RSI divergence is determinant by there being an uptrend on the price action and a downtrend on the support levels on the RSI, and whenever you see it, you're generally expecting to see a major rally occur on the cryptocurrency market in question. In this case, we may not see that occur, because if Cardano pulls below $1.86, then that bullish RSI divergence will be null and void, and it will not be able to cause us to rally because it won't exist anymore. So now the question is, will Cardano be able to hold above $1.86? Let's talk about that. I think that its volume gives us some information. You can see that there was a large volume spike when we broke bearish out of our symmetrical triangle pattern. We've been talking about that pattern all of last week. We did now finally break bearish out of it and move to our price target of $2. So we have moved the extent of what we expected. We also pulled below the Bollinger Bands on the daily chart, and something to point out is the fact that this candle body right here on the daily chart for Cardano represents a chart formation called a hammer. Hammer formations typically show up at the bottom of markets. They're characterized by a small body followed by a long lower wick or shadow, and that's what we're seeing happen. You can also see down here on the 4-hourly that there is currently a bullish engulfing candlestick formation forming, and that is a very bullish thing for Cardano. We can also see the volume is rallying right around the time we hit the bottom, which does indicate that we may be seeing a bottom come into play. So what does all this mean for Cardano? And where does your favorite cryptocurrency Cardano go next? A lot of people love Cardano, and for good reason. I think Cardano is a fantastic project, and I do think it has a very bullish future, but I am inclined to believe that it's going to pull back a little bit more. I don't think it's done down here in this $2 territory. And the reason is quite simply because we have a lot of bearishness going on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the cryptocurrency markets right now. And I would be surprised if Cardano was spared from that exact same correction. Frankly, Cardano is a powerful project, but it's not stronger than Bitcoin, which is worth $900 billion, or Ethereum, which is worth $300-odd billion. Cardano just cannot compete. It is going to follow those other major cryptocurrencies. So I think that we're going to see the same thing happen here. I expect over the next few days, probably into the next week, we're going to see more tests of $2. And if we manage to hold it, great. We'll probably bounce and rally, but I think most of it's going to be dictated by what Bitcoin and Ethereum do. So what's my price prediction? My price prediction is this. Within the next 7 days, we will pull back down to $2 once again. A critical decision point will then show up there, because if we start pulling back below $1.86, our bullish RSI divergence that gives us a spring to push us to the upside will be gone. But personally, I think we will hold. I think Cardano will hold above $1.86. I think its fundamentals are strong enough, and I think the cryptocurrency markets are going to be bouncing in the next 7 days as well, so that will cause a rally. So I think we're going to pull down to $2, and then I think we're going to bounce. We're going to start moving to the upside, following the rest of the cryptocurrency markets doing the exact same. Love to hear what you think, though. Tell me in the comments down below. Where do you think Cardano is going next? Is it going to crash below $1.86, the critical level of support that it needs to maintain? Or is it going to bounce where we are now and start rallying to the upside? Love to hear your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel, because we're trying to bring you the highest quality educational, entertaining, and informational content on YouTube about cryptocurrency markets so that you can become financially free working here in Bitcoin. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.